Hey guys, we're at the Games Expo in Melbourne. Now, it's not as big as PAX, but it is still jam-packed full of cool stuff, including a retro section. I've got a pass, thanks to my friend Cameron. We're going to go in right now and check it out. All right, so Cam, what do we got?
Well, we're back again at the Game Expo, which is like a mini PAX between the big PAX. Mid-year, we've got the Game Expo. This is mostly Australian stuff. Cool. Indie games, artists, but we still have the retro section.
Yay!
So we got Weird and Retro and me, Cam's obsolete. So Weird and Retro guys, we sort of split up the task between us.
Yep.
Got our classic consoles. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
PlayStation Mini, PlayStation PS1. I convinced him to leave his box out because it's cool.
Yeah, that's
I always hide them away. I'm like,
no.
Get the boxes out, it's half the point. So some nice consoles. A lot of CRTs this year on the other side, which is good. This is cool.
This looks like Daytona, but it's not.
It is. It's just a Sega Saturn version of Daytona,
oh,
but with the wheel.
Yeah.
That's unusual. I love that thing. You got you got a friggin' rank flang into it. Look at that draw distance.
Oh my God.
It's not great. MSX II, which is very unusual.
That's cute.
Yeah, a lot of MSXs, but not too many MSX IIs. A teeny tiny little CRT.
Maybe Toshiba.
That is a tiny CRT. Classic Dreamcast. The fancy Commodore 64, none of this poor person tape deck stuff. Look at that. 128D. With the 1701 monitor, that's very hard to find. With the door.
I have one, yeah. The door's not come off.
The door is.
The door's mint.
With white tattoos, which are also very rare. So this is different to PAX. This is chiptunes, guys. So making music with old systems is a unique challenge by itself. You think of them as different instruments. So I've got Music 2000, which is a classic music maker from PlayStation 1. Amigas, of course. Can't go wrong with an Amiga. And then we got get into Game Boy music making machines. So
that's cool.
The Game Boy sound chip is super weird and very esoteric to work with. I've tried to make tunes and it's hard.
There we go.
I don't know who's that. So that's the Melbourne Chiptune Academy.
I just love the logo.
Get the logo there.
It's very cool.
So we're sharing it with Rhythm this year because this is a lot smaller, but they pack a lot of stuff into a small area.
Yeah.
So they've got Rhythm right next to it, so it's pretty loud. All right, some more Weird and Retro stuff. That's cool. The Famicom computer. Twin Famicom. Got a couple of Ataris. There's a
flashback.
Weird little, the original flashback. Neo Geo. Look at the cartridges. Look how cool that is.
That's a big ass cartridge.
That's a big cartridge. Very hard to get hold of.
Here's my hand.
Yeah. And you got a big hand, so that's just huge. That's cool. Original ColecoVision, proper ColecoVision with a modern controller.
Yeah.
Always keep your eyes open for CRTs in that side.
Oh, yeah.
That's really cool. PC Engine CD-ROM. That's really awesome. Let's go sneak in here.
Graphics on this are really nice. Where to go over and have a look?
I think the PC Engine was was it the first CD-ROM console? I think it was.
I don't know, you're testing my knowledge there. It's out of my depth.
PC Engine CD-ROM was the first CD console, wasn't it? It's very early.
Cool graphics.
Yeah, it's just a cool machine. It's 8-bit. It's not even 16-bit.
It's a baby.
I bought the Amiga 600 again this year. He's trying to get the high score in the hardest game ever, Yolanda.
7,000.
Wow. This game is insanely brutal.
I almost got through that one, which is like a pyramid.
I distracted you.
Before, 4 levels of that, almost to the end of that whole quest. But I want to run this as a Conquer PAX.
Yes.
He's on a mission.
IBM with the CGA, so colour, this year. I think I had colour last year at PAX, but like normally I got mono. So this year I got 3 PCs. I'm trying a bigger PC setup than normal. So this is all in deathmatch, Quake deathmatch. We got a Pentium 2, we got a dual Pentium Pro, we got a Pentium 3 with a CRT. Got to bring a big fat CRT. But I got the original terrible 4:3 aspect ratio LCDs. Really early LCDs were pretty bad.
I just love this. This monitor's cool.
That monitor's the best screen I've ever seen. That's my main gaming monitor. So, and I got some real old stuff. We got Pong, playing 2-player Pong by yourself. That's depressing. That's depressing, man. So yeah, I bring this every year because it's just so cool. The Apple II is starting to die. The RAM is going. So it's working at the moment, which is kind of a miracle. I like props, the Matrix phone.
Oh, that's very cool.
You know, I'm a big fan of props at expos.
That's very cool.
So in the movie, they put a spring loader in it. The original phone didn't have it. I really like the iMac, so I bring that for smaller expos as well. I just like it. I think it's cool. They got unique versions of everything. Like Prince of Persia's not on this version's not on anything else. They redrew it all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Vectrex, of course. Can't go wrong with the Vectrex.
Now, tell us about this Vectrex cover that you showed me earlier.
This is the only cover where you can actually see what it's supposed to look like. And I'll put scramble in. Scramble, it's going in. Because nearly, when you get a Vectrex these days, all the covers are scratched to hell. Because they're black and white. Right? And you get a cover. This is the only one that I've got that's not scratched.
We want to keep
this
it
is
that
what
way.
it's supposed to look like. And you get one per game. So every game has its own cover. Because I was trying to compete with colour systems, so which is kind of sad. But yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. Still, it's cooler without it, but you know, whatever. It's fun. And my bloody Atari screen's dead. My cool CRT. So I had to get this manky little LCD to fill in the gap.
The dodgy dicks bit, but people are still playing it.
I got some rare ones here. Pitfall 2.
Oh yeah?
Quite rare. It's got a sound chip in it that was made by David Crane, like who made the game.
That's cool.
I got River Raid 2, which is very rare.
Yep.
Like, I didn't even really know River Raid 2 existed.
No.
Star Wars, usual stuff. Yeah, River Raid 2. It's like Activision. Pretty cool.
Let us know in the comments what your favourite Atari 2600 game was. Mine was River Rave 1.
Yep.
And the scariest game ever invented on the Atari,
Yep.
I don't know if you remember this, Venture.
Adventure, yeah.
It had like 4 little quadrants and you were like a little dot and you had to go into...
That flashback has Adventure on it.
Oh.
If you want to get a shot.
Mate, used to scare the crap out of me.
I think the best game ever is Indy 500 with the driving controllers.
Oh, that's cool.
They're not paddles, they're infinite rotators. Like they're rotary encoders.
Yeah.
So that can't be emulated. So my general gist is everything that can't be emulated, you can't emulate the Vectrex properly. It doesn't look right. You can't emulate the Indy 500 controllers. It doesn't look right. You can't play it.
Yeah.
The puck bounce, you have to experience in real life.
That's true.
That analog joystick, like they don't make them anymore.
Yeah.
Weird rotary things, like it's just not, you just can't emulate it.
Yeah.
And the PC LAN experience is kind of its own unique thing with Model M's. So keyboard aficionados, I got 3 Model M's and a Model F on the original.
You know what? I didn't actually pick that up now that you mention it.
All Model M's, all pristine.
These kids don't know the luxury that they're playing on right now.
Some of them do. Quite a few people are, like kids, are into keyboards. But the Model F is the crowning glory of all keyboard mechanisms.
Well, I just happened to pick up a Model F recently.
Nice.
It'll be in another video, I might link to it here, but I couldn't believe it when I opened a box of what I thought were Model M's.
Right.
And then there's this weird ass keyboard in there.
Yeah, it's really weird.
Yeah.
It's a shame you can't use it because the layout's just too weird.
Yeah. And it's got a funny connection on it, my one.
Yeah, that's why people go for Model M's, because you can just use it on a modern PC. Right?
Yeah.
I like my props.
The Hutchinson Pager, I had one,
Yeah, Simon's saying he actually had one of these. So.
I had that.
This exactly.
Yeah, I had that. Because I remember the yellow button on it.
Right. Did you have an Erico phone though?
Yeah. Ask Gen X to, or not Gen X, ask Gen Z to dial that.
Any gen.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, so that's my little section.
That's cool.
Nice and cozy. I got my star cursors and whatnot. There's a certain like brands of joysticks and stuff that you need to use. You can't like use like quick shots and stuff. You got to use
the OG TAC 2.
TAC 2. Got a Competition Pro.
Oh yeah.
Star cursor. But these mice, like I try to get original mice, but so there's a ball mouse. I'm torturing this guy with a ball mouse.
Yeah.
Which, you know,
That's
work
right.
okay.
Yeah.
They got a bad rap. But some optical mice are good. A lot of them are terrible from the early days. So I went through all my mice and flicked around and made sure they actually worked. So.
And I like you've got the big ass speakers too.
Yeah.
Like you need the.
Lots of people recognise, they go, oh, I had those speakers.
Yeah.
They're the terrible mid-range speakers and then the tornadoes. Yeah, and I got prop zip drives and all that sort of stuff.
And don't copy that floppy.
Yeah, I always bring that. You got to see me on the don't copy the floppy.
That's cool.
Yeah. Did you ever play Redneck Rampage?
This does ring a bell, but I can't remember.
It's a build engine. It's like a Duke Nukem engine 3D
I
game.
do have it. I actually have it in a box, like a multi-box set. That's an Apogee game, isn't it?
Yeah, I think you bought a lot of stuff which had Redneck Rampage in it.
Yeah.
The rest of it was stuff I wasn't interested in. I thought, I only want Redneck Rampage. But that's a great game. It's like one of the earliest sort of like rude games, I suppose. Like that was 3D.
Apart from Leisure Suit Larry or something like that.
So there you go.
That's cool.
But the rest of it is like there's a whole artist block, which is people selling art.
Yeah.
Right. So that's a unique thing. There's chess, just a big section of just people playing chess. So like the Game Expo is like fairly wide ranging, what you consider to be a game even.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Cam, this has been a regular thing now, so thank you very much for showing me
I'll
around.
see you at PAX, I suppose, next
Yeah, I'll see you at PAX in a few months, whatever that is. It's actually really good to see the engagement in these young kids and other people who've just come in and they're playing like an Atari 2600 for the first time.
Lots of parents with their kids going, check this out, this is what I used to do.
And there was a guy before I just saw was like looking at Quake and you were showing him all about that. He's like, what's this? And you're like, hey, this is a 3D card. And he's like, oh my God.
Amazing. It's also cool, like you mentioned before, like it's good that an Australian event can have enough people to actually make it viable.
Yeah, I agree. It's great. It's really good that you're here representing the industry and yourself, and you're bringing your personal machines down, and people love it. So
it's people are here all day playing it. Sunday is like a quiet day, but it's still pretty busy.
Yeah.
So this is Saturday, Sunday, which PAX is 3 days. So yeah, I mean, I imagine this will get bigger. It's only been going for 3 years.
Okay.
Or 3 years, something like that. Not very long.
It's doing pretty well. There's a lot of vendors here. There's a surprising amount of small little vendors. Anyway, thanks heaps. No doubt see you at PAX. Might see you beforehand, but thanks again for the pass.
Plan some extra weird stuff for PAX.
What do you want to do? Are you going to give us a...
Just a couple of weird reviews, like I said, the Archimedes. I want to get Archimedes represented, like maybe a BBC.
Yeah.
That type of area. Because last year I had the Apple display.
Yep.
So maybe an Acorn display. I don't know.
I reckon we need more BBC. Australia doesn't have that many BBC.
It doesn't matter if people don't recognise it. They'll go, what the hell's that? And then you can go, well, you've got one in your pocket.
Yeah. This is what we used in the 80s and 90s.
Well, Archimedes is the arm chip.
Yeah.
Like it's, everyone's got one in their pocket technically. So if you think about it like that, it's pretty important.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Anyway, thanks again. We'll see you soon. See you on the next one.